In this video, I'll discuss about the triangle and I'll solve some questions related to the topic. So you can see the figure triangle ABC is on the screen. A triangle is a closed figure having three sides. Triangle ABC has three non-collinear points A, B and C. It has three sides, namely AB, BC and CA. Then it has three angles, angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CAB. It has three vertices also, vertex A, B and C. Now next is the interior angles. In triangle ABC, the angles BAC, ABC and ACB are called its interior angles. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So from the figure you can see angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Next is the exterior angles. When any side of a triangle is produced, the angle so formed outside the triangle and at its vertex is called its exterior angle. So in the triangle shown on the screen, angle D is exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angles. So from the figure we can say that angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. Clear? So now let's solve some questions related to the topic. So question number 1. State if the triangles are possible with the following angles. So subpart 1, 20 degree, 70 degree and 90 degree given. So what we will do, we will add. So after adding we will get what? 180 degree. So yes, a triangle can have angles 20 degree, 70 degree and 90 degree because sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Next is 40 degree, 130 degree and 20 degrees given. Again we will add all three angles. After adding again we will get 180 degree. It's okay. Otherwise we cannot form a triangle. So when we add 40 degree, 130 degree and 20 degree we will get to 190 degree and 190 degree is not equal to 180 degree. So answer will be no. A triangle cannot have angles 40 degree, 130 degree and 20 degree. Subpart 3, 60 degree, 60 degree and 50 degrees given. So again we will add. So when we will add we will get 170 degree and 170 degree is not equal to 180 degree. So no, a triangle can't have angles 60, 60 and 50 degree. Next is 125 degree, 40 degree and 15 degree. Again after adding we will get what? 180 degree and of course 180 degree is equal to 180 degree means yes, a triangle can have angles 125 degree, 40 degree and 15 degree. Now next question number 2. If the angles of a triangle are equal, find its angle. So first we will suppose. Clear? So let the angle of a triangle be x and according to the question x plus x is equal to 180 degree. And we know that also we have to write sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. And so the value of x is what? 60 degree. Now next question number 3. Question number 3. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 75 degree. Find angle C. So since the sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, this we know. So we can write like this: angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and value of angle A is 45 plus value of angle B is 75 plus angle C we have to find out, and this is equal to 180 degree. So 45 plus 75, 120 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. And so angle C is equal to what? 60 degree. Now next question number 4. In a triangle PQR, angle P is 60 degree and angle Q is equal to angle R. Find angle R. Means in place of Q we can write what? Angle R. So we know sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So we can write like this: angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. And so value of angle P is given 60 degree. So 60 plus, in place of angle Q what we can write? Angle R plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle R plus R is equal to what? 2R. So 2 angle R is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. This 60 will come this side. So side change, sign change. So 2 angle R is equal to 120 degree, and angle R is equal to 120 by 2 equal to 60 degree. So angle R is equal to 60 degree. Now next, question number 5. Calculate the unknown marked angles in each figure. So you can see here 90 degrees given, x is given, and 30 degrees given, and we know that sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So x plus 90 plus 30 is equal to 180 degree, x plus 120 is equal to 180 degree, and so x is equal to 180 minus 120, this is equal to 60 degree. Now next, sub part 2. Again 3 angles are given and we have to find out the value of angle y. So since sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, so y plus 80 plus 20 equal to 180 degree, and y plus 100 equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. So the value of angle y will be equal to 80 degree. Now next, the figure is on the screen, you can see. So here angle B is what? Nothing is given there, but from the figure we can find out that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Clear? So since the sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, so how we can write? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. In place of angle A we can write A, in place of angle B we can write 90 degree, and in place of angle C we can write 40 degree, and this is equal to 180 degree. So now A plus 130 is equal to 180 degree, then A is equal to 180 minus 130, side change, sign change. So A is equal to 50 degree. Clear? Now next, question number 6. Find the value of each angle in the given figure. So figure is on the screen, you can see. So 5x, 4x and x is given. So we know sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So 5x plus 4x plus x is equal to 180 degree, means 10x is equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 by 10 equal to 18. So the value of x is 18. Value of 4x is what? 4 into 18, that is 72 degree. And value of 5x is equal to 5 into 18, that is 90 degree. Now next, sub part 2, again we will write, since the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and what are the 3 angles given here? X plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 5x equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 by 5 equal to 36 degree. So the value of x is 36 and value of 2x will be what? 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. Clear? So like this you can solve. Rest of the questions I'll solve it in the next video. Till then, have